Hello friends, welcome in Shorthand House YouTube channel. This dictation is from GDB Sir book, Simple Shorthand. Dictation speed 80 word per minute. Dictation will be start in 5 seconds. Start. The War of Indian Independence began with the revolt of some Bengali soldiers. Later the mutiny spread to Lucknow, Bareilly, Kanpur, Agra, Bundelkhand and other places. The mutiny failed because of lack of unity among the rebels. During the latter half of the 18th century, the impact of Western civilization was felt in social, religious, and political fields. This resulted in political and social reforms in India. The Brahmo Samaj of Hindus and similar religious groups of Muslims and Sikhs supported the movement. Syed Ahmad dubbed the movement as a civil war without arms. In 1909, the India Council Act was passed and the number of members of the Central Legislative Council was raised from 165 to 60. The Government of India Act 1935 introduced provincial setup, which was characterized by Pandit Nehru as a new charter of slavery. Netaji escaped from India and formed the Indian National Army. With the sacrifices of our great leaders, non-violent movement of Mahatma Gandhi, and political leaders and freedom fighters, though British India got independence in 1947 but was divided into India and Pakistan with the stiff attitude of certain religious leaders. The Indian Constitution was adopted in 1952 and India became a sovereign democratic republic. Elections were held in the country for Lok Sabha and state assemblies with division of powers between central and state governments. Presently, India is a union of 30 states and 4 union territories. The Prime Minister is the head of the central government, while the Chief Ministers are the heads of their state governments. The President of India is the head of the country, while the governors are the heads of the states who act as agents of the president and are under the control of the president through the Ministry of Home Affairs. They act under the Constitution and are the custodian of the Indian Constitution. Stop.